I wanted to do a quick video on recovering your system. This is Windows 7 Startup Repair Infinite Loop Recovery. The X200 just gave me a nice little scare. I haven't performed the recovery in a while. Typically it's been like a master boot record, an MBR fix. And I was like, man, I went through all these different issues. What's going on is I had a startup. I found out I fell asleep and I woke up and something updated or the system restarted somehow for some reason. I don't know if it was because of, what was it? Roxio Game Capture HD I had installed. And I'm guessing there are some updates with the two versions, like the 2.1 update and a 3.0 update, which I still found I'm having issues with importing, so I'm just kind of like, I'll use it maybe for streaming HD from a camera to record live, and that's probably all I'll use that for. And software I don't think I use for editing. Anyways, I woke up to the X200 looping. So the Lenovo X200 was just like issue where some say Control Alt Delete. I'm guessing was an upgrade. Anyways, I had to wind up doing a registry edit. So I had to back up and then restore a previous registry point. So basically, here's the procedure. I wound up using actually with the Windows 7 installation disk, but you can boot to. I'm having a brain fart right now. I kind of forget. I'm forgetting. I want to say it's F10 or F8. But to bring up to be able to, yeah, so I just put in the disk anyways. I go through the screens, mainly keep in mind the link. And maybe I can copy and paste the commands, but to get to the command prompt, basically I have to enter this here, switch over to C, do a little quick double checking, folders are there correct, nothing's been too corrupted. My file size wasn't exactly the same, but it was similar, so everything was there at least, so it seemed close enough. Similar as I came down here, changed the directories, made a backup. Copied that backup hive file, the registry. And that did it. Just made sure to overwrite all of them too, and then exit. So I just want to do a quick video. There it is. In case you ever have that happen, spent most of the morning going through all the other routines. Look, I do that so rarely, I don't remember. So on the ELANT stuff, whatever it is, shell shock or post-traumatic stress disorder, the mild traumatic brain injury from the cavitation or concussion effects of the ultrasound or sonic or RF signals, whatever. I don't know. And plus I'm fatigued. I've been on the road most of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and stop, call it good. And I made a previous video too, a little earlier on the dragon fruit. I'll share that. I'm going to also, I received the XLR cable. I'll do a little video on that. So anyways, take care, be safe, and until next time.